Take a ride in the 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.